Sandy, and I'm in the kitchen at Pampered Chef. As a registered dietitian, I've always seen the magic of food. The magic of food to improve your well-being and improve your health. But at Pampered Chef, I see the magic in food and bringing people around the table. Now, there are so many ways to bring people around the table with nutritious and delicious food. One way to bring people around the table fast is pressure cooking. Pressure cooking is a cooking method that has gained a lot of popularity lately. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably want to know, how does it work? Well, pressure cooking is just how it sounds, cooking with pressure. When you increase the pressure in the pot, you increase the temperature of the liquid and the steam. Higher pressure equals shorter cooking time. Now, you may be intimidated with pressure cooking, or you may even have a pressure cooker that you haven't taken it out of the box. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to get started, gain confidence, and save time in the kitchen. We came up with 3 simple ways to help you get familiar with pressure cooking. You can pick one of the ways, or even try all 3. You can make beans without soaking, hard-boiled eggs, or even chicken. Now, beans are great because they can make a simple side dish or even an element of a main meal. Hard-boiled eggs are great because they can be a fast breakfast, or you can snack on them all week long. Chicken is the star of a simple main dish. I'm going to make hard-boiled eggs because it's something that my family eats every single week. There are many pressure cookers out on the market, but today I'm using the Quick Cooker. Like so many other pressure cookers, the Quick Cooker comes with a wire rack. This helps elevate the eggs above the water when it's cooking. Just going to place this right inside the inner pot. Now, there's one simple truth when it comes to pressure cooking. You have to add water or some type of liquid, at least 1 cup or as your recipe directs. If you don't have that liquid, it's not going to come up to pressure. So you'll see I have just 1 cup of water. And then I'm going to add my eggs. About 6 eggs fit perfectly in this wire rack. And now we're ready for the lid. It was that easy. Now that the lid is on, I'm going to make sure that the steam icons are aligned and that the steam release button is flush with the handle. That all looks good. Now I'm going to set the time. I'm just going to select Custom and adjust the time to 12 minutes. Once it comes under pressure, you're going to see a number up on the screen. That's how much more time you have left when it's cooking. Now, when it's under pressure, that's where the real magic happens. It only takes 12 minutes to make hard-boiled eggs. Now, while the eggs are cooking, I want to tell you 2 surprising things about pressure cooking that I love. Number 1, because you're building so much steam inside the pot, it locks in so much flavor in your food. You are going to be amazed at how delicious your food comes out. And number 2, because you're cooking foods for a shorter amount of time, it really locks in the nutrients in your food. Something else I love is that you can just throw some foods in here, saute or sear right in the pot, add the rest of your ingredients, put on the lid, press a button, and walk away. This can let you have more time with your friends and family, or just do things around the house. And the Quick Cooker was really built with family safety in mind. As you can see, it's cool to the touch, both on the lid and the body. Makes me feel so much better when I'm cooking dinner at home with my son around. Now we're going to check back in just a few minutes. I can't wait to show you how the eggs turn out. Okay, now that the timer is up, I'm going to hit cancel and manually release the pressure. Now you'll know when the Quick Cooker is safe to open when the red button goes down. Looks like I'm all ready. I'm just going to place my eggs in an ice bath to help them cool down. Now, I chose hard-boiled eggs because it's something that my whole family can agree on eating and snacking on throughout the week. But what a bummer when you go to peel your hard-cooked eggs and you can't get the shell off. Well, check this out. These peel so easily. Look at that big chunk of shell coming right off. Beautiful. Okay, so let's cut into this egg. Look at how perfect that is. Not overdone, perfect yolks. Everyone is going to be happy. So now that I have my hard-boiled eggs, I can just store them in my leak-proof glass container in the fridge for a couple days, and we're all set. So if you haven't tried pressure cooking yet, or maybe it's been a while since you've taken out your pressure cooker, try one of our quick ways to get started. Get comfortable with your pressure cooker and bring some flavor back to mealtime. If you enjoyed this video, please check out the other ones on our channel and subscribe. See you soon.